here with you, and today we're doing some diamond painting. Obviously this is going to be a fast forward video again because it takes a while to make these, but I want to do something with this beautiful little gnome that I got from One Day Saving. And I've got some very exciting news for you all. I'm sure you're going to be super thrilled. So they reached out to me and wanted to do another collaboration, but they also mentioned that they would like to do a giveaway for my subscribers. I just thought it was so sweet of them to do this. And so the giveaway is for there's going to be 5 winners of $10 each of a gift card to their store. The only thing that is super important is you cannot be a winner to the store if you're not registered with them. So you need to go on their website and register your email address. And if you're a winner, then they will be able to email you the gift card through their site, and you will be able to get $10 off your purchase, which I just love their stuff. They have so many amazing projects. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So if you're interested, in the description box below, first of all, there's going to be a link to a discount code as well as to this beautiful product and to the store, so that you can actually go and register. And I will leave this open for a week, and then I will close it off and do the draw. And whoever you're gonna have to give me your email address, and then I can communicate with them your email, and they will send you your $10 gift card. So 5 lucky winners. How amazing is that? So now I'm gonna go and start making this, but I'm so thrilled. I'm very, very blessed to be working with companies like this that are so generous and willing to do some special things for my subscribers. So now we will be working on this in fast forward motion, so hope you like it, and I will see you guys at the end of the video when I'm finished making this little guy and I can show you what he looks like. Okay, so I've gotten both sides done. He's super adorable. And now it's a question of assembling this. And I'm not quite sure how I'm supposed to be assembling him. I'm thinking that the chain goes at the top, and whoops, my nail just got stuck in there, and that's gonna destroy that nail. Yeah, that's what happens when you don't use your tools and you use your fingers instead. Just gonna put that through here. So that goes at the top, like so. And then I'm thinking that this goes at the bottom. And I love that it has all the colors of the different chakras. And then you just open this up and put the big crystal in, I think. Yeah. And bring you back. And this is what it looks like. Isn't it cute? I love how it turned out, and it was so fun to make and easy. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing me make this. Don't forget that there's a giveaway going from One Day Savings. Thank you so much to the company for doing that for my subscribers. I so appreciate it. And so you need to register to their website with your email if you want to participate. And yeah, that's all there is to it. I just saw that I removed a little bling by mistake. Hopefully both sides are okay now. I don't think any is missing. So I hope that you go and register, and if you do and you want to participate in the giveaway, leave a comment down below, and I will keep this going for a week and then close it off and pick out the winner. So love you guys so much, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.